Geometry OST Spring 2023 release date test items number 11. It says triangles ABC and PQR are shown on the coordinate grid. Robbie wants to show that the two triangles are congruent. Which sequence of transformations can Robbie apply to triangle ABC to show that it's congruent to triangle PQR? So again, I'll just kind of go through them one by one with you. So the first one here says he can reflect it across the y-axis and then translate it down. So starting with ABC, if I reflect it across the y-axis, this is the y-axis, so that means that all these points will just be on the other side of the y-axis. So that'll be A, B will be somewhere out here, and C will be here. So there would be that, which you can see it's not oriented right. So when I slide this down 5, it's not going to line up exactly. So that's wrong. Okay, so we're not doing choice A. Choice B, it says rotate it 90 degrees about point A and then reflect it across the x-axis. All right, so let's try our best. So when I rotate this 90 degrees clockwise about point A, and this is kind of be a little strange. So A is going to stay where A is. C, right? When I rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, that's going to be that way, right? Let me make sure it says counterclockwise and not clockwise. Just double check. No, it says clockwise. I'm sorry. So clockwise. So when I do it clockwise, it's going to go this way, C is. So I'm going to use the slope. So this is a slope of -3, 1. So -3, 1. So when C gets rotated, I have to create a right angle here because it's a 90-degree rotation. So instead of down 3 and right 1, from A, I'm going to go up 1 and right 3. This will be the new location of C. So again, this is me rotating it 90 degrees, and again, I know that because now I have a right angle right there. Okay. Do the same thing with B to A. So notice that B is horizontal, right, from A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I rotate B, now it's going to be vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's B. So that'd be the rotation of 90 degrees about A. Right, it's kind of tricky. And then it says reflect it across the x-axis. Well, if I reflect that triangle across the x-axis, it's going to flip down here, which is not going to be there. So it's not that one. Okay, so thank goodness, right? It's not that choice. C, we're going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise about point A, and then translate it 6 units to the right. Well, I wish I would have had that picture back. Let me see if I can grab it back. I think it's here. I think it's here, so it's like this, right? So if I go 6 units to the right, no, it's not going to line up, so that's not right. So then the last one. It says we're going to reflect it across the y-axis, then rotate it 90 degrees clockwise about point A. So let's see if this one works. So we're going to reflect it across the y-axis like we did before. So A is going to go on to P. C is going to go up to here. B is going to go out to here. So there's your new triangle, and they're going to rotate it 90 degrees, right? So again, this point C, which is up 3 and right 1, will be up 1 and right 3. I'm sorry, up 1 and up 3 and right 1 will be down 1 and right 3, right? No. Yeah, let me just double check. Yeah. Oh, so it's here. So we went up 3 and right 1. So I need to flip them and do the reciprocal, right? So that's where C is. So that'd be down 1 and right 3. Yep. So that'd be where C prime is, right there. And then again, this point B prime is going to rotate this way. So instead of being horizontal 5, it's going to go vertical 5. And yep, and there we go. It's right on top of that triangle, and we are in business. That is the composition of transformations that works and makes triangle ABC go on to triangle PQ.